Right, 8:31, and you can look live right now. I don't know how much you can see, but this is the airport right now. A lot of heavy rain coming down, which is why there is now a ground stop in effect for at least the next 15 minutes. We'll see if they extend that. But again, if you were heading to the airport, you'll likely also see this. This is a look at the heavy rain right on I-20, right near Six Flags Parkway in Cobb County. You see drivers are taking it slow. Let's get back over to Chesley. If you can stay at home and just sort of wait this out, that's the best advice, right?
That's absolutely the best advice, Jonathan, because it's a very fast mover. Just a minute ago, just like that shot of the airport you just saw, we couldn't see any of these buildings back behind us, and now that's starting to clear out a little bit. The heaviest rain right there on top of us, but there's a lot of wind associated with this as well as this line begins to move through, which is why we have the severe thunderstorm warning that stays in effect until 8:45. So another 15 minutes, we'll watch this as it continues to slide over toward the east. Now, some good signs here that this is starting to weaken a little bit as it continues to push further over toward the east. We saw it weakening as it moved into the state, but the Weather Service decided to hold on because of the winds that have been associated with it. Not a lot of lightning strikes associated with it. Those lightning strikes have begun to subside. The atmosphere over us a lot more stable than it was back over toward the west, and so it is starting to weaken as it continues to push further over toward the east and moving at a pretty decent clip. So it comes through, drops that heavy rain, you get those gusts of wind associated with it, and then back behind it you just get this steady rain that will fall. The winds would have died down, but in places like, for example, over toward Georgia's Rome right now have moderate rainfall coming down, but not a lot of wind associated with that. Maybe a lightning strike or two, that's about it. But it's right here that we're looking at, right along this line here, where we're seeing the strongest winds. Right now, that severe thunderstorm warning is for Clayton County, DeKalb County, Fulton County, both north and south. We're looking at Gwinnett County as well as that continues to slide towards the east. Right now, eastern Gwinnett County is under the gun right now as that continues to slide in. Just now entering into the most eastern portions of Gwinnett County as we speak. Has moved through the Roswell area, has moved through here just in Midtown now. Starting to hear the rain begin to subside, becoming a little bit more light here in Midtown. This is the strongest part of that storm right there. It is starting to fall apart a little bit further down here to the south, which is a good sign before it makes it into Peachtree City, and then up to here to the north as well, starting to fall apart. So you still have some pretty gusty winds along with that very heavy rain right here along the northern end of the perimeter. We've been watching that, and so I know Rachel's looking at that part as well, and so we'll continue to watch that as it continues to push further over toward the east. No doubt folks are stopping on the roadways, so not a good moment right now to get out on the roads. If you're watching us right now, you're at home and you're thinking about leaving or had plans to leave here within the next 10-15 minutes, hold on for just a little bit more. I'd say wait another half hour, 40 minutes. You'll still be dealing with the rain because that's going to continue to push our way, but at least you won't have to have that heavy rain and the wind to deal with. That will cause you to just kind of slow down or even stop on some of those roads, and no doubt folks are doing that as we speak right along the northeastern portions of the perimeter as this continues to slide through. Again, this warning in effect until 8:45 this morning. Places like Sugar Hill right now just about on top of you, over toward Oakwood as well. It's headed toward Winder and also Covington. Just now in East Point, just past East Point as we speak, but we'll head toward Winder, places like Covington, over toward Oakdale, probably within the 9 o'clock hour. If it holds together, we'll make it over toward you. Even if you don't have a severe thunderstorm warning in your area, no doubt you'll experience some brief heavy rain and also some gusty winds. The winds may not be as strong as they were back off to the west of us, but certainly you'll get some gust of wind coming your way, maybe up to about 30 or 40 miles per hour at times. But this line has a history of producing downed trees. Folks, back off to the west of us over into Alabama, numerous reports of downed trees. We've had reports in places like Polk County, Paulding County so far. Haven't gotten any in Cobb County. The light rain is over you right now. If you're able to kind of look out the window and see what's going on with your area, let us know if there is any downed trees in your area or any kind of damage from some of these winds around. Not only do it do damage to winds up to 60 miles per hour, will do damage to trees by knocking those down, could blow off some of the shingles on your roof as well. So be on the lookout. If you are in DeKalb County, for example, that's now just about on top of you in your western counties, western cities, that will continue to slide over toward the east. Gwinnett County as well, be on the lookout for some gusty winds associated with this. Down into Clayton County, where we have the airport right there, that's coming your way. So Henry County, northern parts of Henry County in particular, be on the lookout for some of these strong to severe thunderstorms. We're looking at temperatures right now in the 60s, even back behind behind that line that's pushed through, we're starting to see those temperatures going up a little bit. This is a bigger system, folks, that extends all the way up into the northeast, and so the wet weather is going to be there. If you happen to be flying out anywhere up and down the eastern seaboard today, there will likely be some delays, if not some cancellations, where there could be some damage here in the south. This is one line that's pushing through. We're going to be looking at another line that's going to move through the area later on this afternoon. We're tracking a front that's just back off to the west of us. Once we get into the daytime heating, we'll start to see more of those showers, thunderstorms begin to fire up. And as that continues to push over toward the east, of course, we'll get another line moving through. Hopefully, this has mixed up the atmosphere a little bit. I don't think we'll see a lot in the way of sun. If we get any breaks in the clouds, that's going to add to more of the instability, which means those storms coming back behind this one could be a lot stronger. Once this line pushes through our area, we'll get scattered showers with some embedded thunderstorms right on through the afternoon. So the rain's not going anywhere. It's going to be off and on as we head through the afternoon. So be very careful. And also, folks, look ahead, think ahead. Check ahead to see if your flight is going to be going out on time or maybe just delayed, or if you're trying to get on the roadways out there, folks, you want to check ahead as well to see where there's any thunderstorms and maybe just delay your travel just a little bit. Let's go out to the airport with Ariana. She is live out there, been out there all morning long to give us the very latest. Good morning.